So if you look at number 5, some of you might be tempted to rush and write down no solution. And I would say, please don't at this moment, because we got a lot of junk here on the left-hand side. Clean it up first and see if it's still equal to a negative number. But as of now, we really do not have the ability to claim that there's no solution. So we will say, let's go ahead and get absolute value of 2x by itself. Could we? So, so if we want to do that, we have to dust off the -2 and also the +8 on the left-hand side. Which one should we remove first? +8. So we will remove the +h by subtracting 8 on both sides. So we will have -4 minus 8, which gives you -12. Okay, -12. How do we remove the -2? Divided by -2, not +2, by the way. It's divided by -2 because this is -2 times absolute value of 2x. So you will divide both sides by -2. So you have just absolute value of 2x equals to 6. Will we have a solution? Yeah, okay. So we say 2x is equal to 6, or 2x is equal to -6. Okay. Or if you are, very conceptual, you're like, oh, I can tell what this x be already, because x could be 3 to make it true, or x could also be -3 to make it true. Okay. Now, so earlier we put it back to the original statement to check, right? So we should always do that, okay, just in case. Now, if you are confident that you did not make any mistake, you may use something simpler to check, but for your safety concern, it could be a good idea to use the original statement to check your work. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and show the little checking right here. So, so I'm going to be like, okay, so a -2 times absolute value of 2 times 3 plus 8 is equal to -4. This is going to be absolute value of 6. Okay. And then step by step, we will have -2 times just 6. And then 6 times 2, 6 times -2, it's -12. And this is -4 is equal to -4. And we do have a true statement. So this is going to be a solution right here. And if you replace the 3 with a -3, so what really changes would be this part right here and this part right here, but eventually it will be the same thing. So that too would also give you a true statement. So in this case, both 3 and -3 would work brilliantly. Okay. Now, there could be a question. The question is, can we go ahead and distribute or multiply this -2 into the absolute value function? I'm going to use the red color to write this. Please don't. Okay. Absolute value of x is not the same thing as parentheses x. Absolute value, it's not, but they are not parentheses. Okay. So you do not put anything in to the absolute value symbol. Okay. So please don't. Okay. Do not do that. Do not do that at all. Okay. So